Joining us now for a conversation is PMK Chief Minister Anbumani Ramadas. Sir, earlier your party held an all-party meeting regarding the need to conduct a caste survey in the state. And at that time, I think we had a similar conversation in which you said that you'll be meeting the Chief Minister soon to discuss that. And today that meeting has happened. What is the outcome of this meeting?
Today we had met the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vijay, and insisted that the state government should conduct a social justice survey called a caste-based survey. In fact, 5 days ago, under my leadership, we had an all-party meeting with 99% of the parties in Tamil Nadu participated in the meeting, and it was resolved unanimously that we will meet the Chief Minister and request him to do a caste-based survey, which is called a social justice survey. And on that front, we had met him. It was a good meeting, and we explained to the Honorable Chief Minister the necessity of this survey, like saying that Tamil Nadu is the only state which has got more than 50% reservation, even after the Indira Sawhney case. And our reservation, 69% reservation, is protected under the 9th schedule of the Constitution. But there is a judicial review of the 9th schedule itself, right? And this case is there in the Supreme Court, which it could any time. So we have to justify to the Supreme Court that Tamil Nadu has got a population of more than 69% of most backward, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, minorities, all that, to justify that. The second reason is that, right now the caste count was done in 1931, that's 95 years back by the British period. And the judiciary is not accepting that count anymore. Supreme Court doesn't want that count because it's an old count. So they want a modern, pertinent, contemporary count, which the state government only can do a micro level count. The central government has promised they'll do a caste count, but that will be a macro level count, which will not benefit the states rolling out any social welfare programs or increasing or decreasing reservations or giving internal reservations, all that. It won't count. It can't do that. Because the reservations today, you just can't just do a head count. You have to do a social backwardness of the community and extrapolate both the head count as well as the social backwardness, and then only the judiciary will accept that. So for that, we need a modern count at the micro level with the state government. So that is the requirement of that. And also Mr. Vijay's party, the Chief Minister's party, before the election has promised that in the whole election manifesto, they had promised that they will do a caste count, which is in the election manifesto. So on that front, the meeting was very cordial. It's positive. We requested him to bring out this policy issue in the governor's address, which is happening on the 18th of June.
Did he agree to that?
It was positive, and I'm looking forward to that.
Sir, also you spoke about Meghatatu, how it is important for the state to take a firm stand on the Meghatatu issue, and what was the conversation about Meghatatu with the Chief Minister?
Meghatatu is a very important issue for Tamil Nadu because it's a Kaveri River issue. And recently the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, is flexing his muscles saying that he will build the Meghatatu Dam on the Kaveri in Karnataka. Already there is a shortfall of water today. And June 12th is where the Metu Dam is supposed to have opened in June 12th. In fact, another 2 days. But there's no water in Metu Dam today. There's only 40 TMC of water. Metu Dam's capacity is about 93 TMC. It is only 40 TMC of water, and the Kuruvai is suffering. Will suffer in a big way. So if they build a Meghatatu, which has got a 70 TMC capacity, we won't get even one drop of water. Tamil Nadu won't get one drop of water. The Kaveri agreement or all the interstate agreements, inter-river agreement with the interstate river agreement, says that any development in the upper riparian state, you can't do any development, whether dam or check dam or any irrigation schemes, without the approval of the lower riparian state. That's Tamil Nadu, the lower riparian. And so on that basis, the central government shouldn't give any permission to the Karnataka government to do even a detailed project report, DPR, to build a Meghatatu Dam. And so it is a big problem for us. Already we have the Kaveri authority given their ruling saying that Tamil Nadu should be given 177.25 TMC of water, and they distributed it in 12 months period. Karnataka is not following that. So whether after all their dams are overflowing, the excess water, surplus water is only released to us. If they build one more dam, then the surplus water we won't get it. So it's a very, very big issue. We requested the Chief Minister to have an all-party meeting on this issue, and we're looking forward to that because this is not government's problem. It is entire Tamil Nadu's problem.
Are you satisfied with the TVK's response on this matter so far, sir?
On
the Meghatatu issue, are you satisfied with the kind of response that the TVK government is putting out so far?
No, I think that's why we need an all-party meeting, and it should be more proactive on this Meghatatu issue. The sense like it should take the confidence of all the farmers and all the stakeholders, Tamil Nadu people.
Okay. Considering that they are in alliance with the Congress party now, just like how the DMK was in alliance with the Congress earlier.
See, since Meghatatu is proposed in Karnataka, we feel, as a Tamilian from Tamil Nadu, we feel that whoever the central government, whether it is BJP government or the Congress, they have stakes in Karnataka. And both the parties don't have stakes in Tamil Nadu. So their priority will be Karnataka, including this BJP government at the center as well. So it is something very tricky situation for us. So that on that count, we have all have to come together to oppose this Meghatatu.
Final question, sir. Last time when I asked you about Annamalai, you didn't want to comment on it, but is there anything that you have to say right now about this?
My wishes for him,
Okay.
my wishes for him, and all the best to him.
Thank you. That is Mr. Anbumani Ramadas, the chief of Patali Makkal Katchi, who just had a meeting with Chief Minister Joseph Vijay at the Secretariat, in which he stressed the need for a caste survey, and is in fact also requested the state government to convene an all-party meeting in connection with the Meghatatu controversy. He says that the meeting was completely positive and that he's expecting a few positive outcomes out of this. Let's wait and see how all that unfolds. But and he's also going on to stress the need for the all-party meeting in connection with Meghatatu, telling that beyond political differences, all the political parties in the state, they should come together and oppose this dam project firmly. Dharni with Manish for Times Network from Chennai.